A few showers did work in off the Gulf of Mexico yesterday for your Monday. Last 24 hours have yielded some rainfall, and it has varied widely across the coastal bend. You'll see near 2 inches of rain in Robstown north of Driscoll, not too far from Texas 244, and some of these localized heavy pockets of rain west of the highway. Around Corpus Christi, it was scattered. Not everyone did see rain. At the airport, a trace amount of rain. In fact, the airport did not see much. About 4/10 of an inch on the south side, not too far from Ennis-Jocelyn and Staples and Everhart and Airline. On the island, near 3/10 of an inch, and this was yesterday. Not so much rain this morning, but there is a chance of rain later on today. High temperatures near 83 in Flower Bluff, partly cloudy, south winds at 5. And here's the radar. So you'll see a few showers starting to come off the Gulf of Mexico towards the north and towards the northeast. Thanks to the heating of the day later, this afternoon. Temperatures reaching the 90s. That's going to help spark off more isolated showers. So if you're getting out this morning, not expecting much rain, but maybe pack the umbrella, maybe a raincoat just in case. But overall, it's going to be a partly cloudy, sunny day on tap for your Tuesday. In the meantime, we have a coastal flood advisory in effect until 7 a.m. This does include the Nueces County Islands, Aransas County, and Clayburgh County. Meaning, thanks to Tropical Storm Fred on the other side of the Gulf of Mexico making landfall yesterday, it is kind of churning the water a little bit, meaning the elevated surf conditions up to 2 and 3 feet. High risk of rip currents today, higher than normal tides, and minor coastal flooding will be possible. So if you're going to the beach, please be careful, use caution. That is certainly a possibility with the water reaching the dunes and just the higher than normal water levels out there right now. The atmosphere, little favorable for some rain, more so north of Corpus Christi, but you'll notice by 9 a.m. and lunchtime today, another round of these spotty isolated showers. And you'll see as we time it out, 3 and 4 p.m., the sea breeze takes it farther west towards Alice, Orange Grove, and Georgia West and Beeville. So the main takeaway from today's forecast, if you're near the coast, your chance at rain looks better this morning. If you're farther west, near Alice, Kingsville, Beeville, your chance at rain looks better in the afternoon and in the early evening. By later on tonight, tomorrow morning, another round of cloud cover, isolated showers into early Wednesday. And again, we have this chance at rain just through tomorrow and even through Wednesday and Thursday. So today, isolated showers, 93 east winds, 10 to 20 miles an hour. Tropical satellite shows 3 different systems. Fred, Henri, not Henry, it's Henri. It's a weird pronunciation from the Hurricane Center. It's actually French. And we also have Grace in the Caribbean Sea. Grace is our primary focus. Winds right now are at 40 miles an hour, wind gusts at 50. This has a current movement to the west towards Jamaica at 16 miles an hour. Now, the important takeaway from the forecast is this ridge of high pressure. Depending on how strong it is and its exact movement by Thursday into Friday, this will steer Grace towards Mexico and not so much here in Corpus Christi. So the forecast cone from the Hurricane Center says the exact same thing. Towards the Yucatan by Thursday and Friday, crosses over into the Gulf of Mexico near the Bay of Campeche on Friday afternoon, and then making landfall maybe as a tropical storm or even maybe as a Cat 1 hurricane south of the city. So Grace will strengthen. Track has been shifting farther south. We'll continue to monitor the southward trend, and that'll have an influence on our weather by the weekend. 7-day forecast shows sunny skies, isolated showers today, tomorrow, less rain on Thursday. Watching Grace for Friday and Saturday. Barbie.
Thank you, Ryan. After another day without a quorum in the Texas